Have you ever wondered if horses are meant to have horseshoes? Well, today we're going to explore the effects of traditional horseshoes on a horse's foot and leg.
Practice of horseshoeing has been around for centuries. According to Dressage Today 1996, horseshoeing became a mainstream practice in Europe around 1000 AD. To understand whether or not horses should have shoes, we first need to learn some basic parts of the foot. Here you have the sole, which helps support the foot on soft ground, the frog, which aids in circulating blood through the hoof and leg, the wall, which bears most of the horse's weight, the heels, which should be broad but flexible, and the bars, which are basically extensions of the wall meant to help support the foot on soft ground. Although there are many different types of shoes, in this video we will just be exploring the effects of one type of shoe, which is the classic plain shoe. My horse Winston had had shoes on for 7 years straight without a break. This caused major issues and defects in his feet. About a year and a half ago, I pulled his shoes and started trimming him myself. In the old days, horses used to go barefoot in the winter to give their feet a break, but unfortunately that is not common practice anymore. This is the foot as seen from the back. The frog plays a crucial role in pumping blood up and down the leg, as you can see here in this demo of a barefoot hoof. It is extremely important that the frog is able to touch the ground so that it can compress and pump blood efficiently. When a horse has shoes on, the frog cannot touch the ground. Because it is unable to circulate blood properly, the foot can start to experience tissue decay and decreased growth. Horses grow an entirely new foot each year, so proper circulation is incredibly important. Correct hoof angles also play a major part in achieving a healthy hoof. As you can see here, you want a straight line running from the fetlock joint through the hoof. This line should be parallel to the hoof wall. When a horse's toe is too long, this line is broken backwards. This places stress on the tendons running down the back of the leg. Many shod horses suffer from angles like this. This picture of Winston's foot was taken the day he got his shoes off. You can see the large discrepancy between the angle of his pastern and the hoof wall. The second picture was taken 5 months later. You can see the angles are improving as well as the overall health of the foot. And here is his foot today. Another drawback to metal shoes is the warping of the wall that they cause. The green line indicates the large curve where the hoof meets the skin, called the coronary band. You can see how this gradually improves over time and becomes straighter. When Winston still had shoes, his heels look similar to this picture. The heels and frog are so contracted that barely any circulation is present. They now look like this: wide, supportive, healthy, and the frog has expanded to better aid circulation. During our competition season, when he needs a little bit more protection, I use glue-on rubber shoes. These shoes are more flexible, plus there are no nails which damage the wall. He is only in glue-on shoes for 2 6-week periods during the year to preserve the health of his feet. When we are not competing, I use strap-on boots for protection. It has taken a year and a half to heal the damage done by nail-on iron shoes. Taking the time to rehab his feet has paid off. His hooves have never been healthier.